Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a digital journal to sell. First, let's pinpoint your ideal customer. Think about who you want to help and what challenges they face. Are they students, busy professionals, or perhaps wellness enthusiasts? Understanding their needs will guide your journal's theme and content, making it truly valuable and appealing to a specific market. Now, let's dive into the creative process. You'll want to use design software like Canva or Adobe InDesign to craft your journal. Focus on creating visually appealing pages with clear sections for writing, reflection, or planning. Incorporate thoughtful prompts and perhaps even some interactive elements to keep your users engaged and coming back for more. Once your design is complete, it's time to prepare your journal for sale. Export it as a high-quality, interactive PDF. This format ensures compatibility across many devices, from tablets to smartphones. Make sure all your links are clickable and any fillable fields work perfectly, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for your customers. Finally, let's talk about getting your beautiful digital journal into the hands of your customers. Platforms like Etsy or your own e-commerce site are excellent choices for selling. Craft engaging product descriptions and showcase your journal with attractive mock-ups. Remember, a strong marketing strategy, perhaps using social media or email lists, is key to reaching your ideal audience and making those sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.